Detect stopword after lemma in Spacy. How to detect if word is a stopword after stemming and lemmatization in Spacy? Assume sentence. In this case, something is a stopword. Obviously, to me. Something and somethings are also stopwords, but it needs to stemmed before. Following script will say that the first is true, but latter isn't. Returns. Is there a way to detect that through Spacy API?
Stopwords in Spacy are just a set of strings which set a flag on the lexemes, the context-independent entries in the vocabulary. See here for the English stop list. The flag simply checks whether text in stop_words, which is why something returns true for is_stop, and something's doesn't. However, what you can do is check if the token's lemma or lowercase form is part of the stop list, which is available via nlp.defaults.stop_words, i.e. the defaults of the language you're using. If you're using Spacy v2.0 and want to solve this even more elegantly, you could also implement your own is_stop function via a custom token attribute extension. You can choose any name for your attribute and it will become available via token._. For example, token._. is_stop.